still. We have to keep going. Let's move on. Three, two, one.
It's okay lang kasi sa kanya yan, madami naman sa'yo. Mas marami yung sa'yo, right? Mas marami yung kayano, tinda.
Me too. Oh, there's a lever.
Kanino ba yan? Is that yours? Okay.
To keep going. Let's find the next room. Nothing over here.
Nothing at all.
Hmm.
It doesn't seem like there are any doors.
Doesn't look like it.
Then we can't continue.
That's an odd
Big
place for a
choco drip.
painting.
Big choco dip.
Mikey, this might be.
Yan. O, bili ka kuya, play ka. Sige na.
Wonder what the next room will be like.
No choice but to keep
Inyo pa,
going.
3. Konting minutes na. Okay.
What's the next room?
Hindi tablet. Ano ka ba? Hindi, anak.
Ayun lang.
Ay, nako, hindi.
Sige na.
Mamaya.
Mami, ano?
3 to 4 lang ha.
What do you want?
Subo.
What do you want, Mommy?
There are several doors.
Lollipop.
So one of them might lead to the next
Okay.
room. Let's try. Nothing here.
Yeah, Mommy.
Thank you.
Nope.
What do you want?
Cow.
They are.
How?
There might be another way.
Yeah,
into the
Mommy.
next room. Let's search.
Yes,
Thank you.
what do you want?
There's a lever
Pochi.
here.
There is?
Let's try it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Click.
Okay.
Hey!
Ow! The path
Okay.
over here.
Okay.
We can move on.
Come here, I subo you.
What kind of room is next?
Ah,
Let's see.
yan o.
Too much of it.
Looks like this is the new world now.